Hey guys, this is Sachin. Welcome to Way to Tech, and these are the top must-have Android apps. So first app we have is called Mikopi. Now let's open it up. Now Mikopi is a very cool application. So if I show you right now, if I go here right in my contacts, if you can see that each contact has a photo, that is, in each contact there is a unique photo. Not every photo is same, and as you can see each contact has a photo according to the letter that it starts with. So as you can see, B have a picture with B, and as you can see, both these B's are different. Each and every picture differ from each other picture, as you can see. So Mikopi is an application that allows you to create these kind of pictures for your contacts if you don't have a picture of that person that the contact is. So what you can do is you can either pick a single contact, or you can pick the automatic mode, and you can select the missing pictures. That means it will only create pictures for those which does not have a picture on them. Or you can select the all contacts like I did, and it should create picture for each and every particular, and each picture is going to be unique and different from any other picture. So guys, next app we have is called Snapseed, and Snapseed is a very interesting photo editor. As you can see, a very clean UI, and you can have a photo. Let me choose this one. As you can see, this is the main page that you are going to get when you open a picture, and you can click this pencil button right here and you will get into the edit mode. You can see a bunch of different options like tune image, details, crop, and bunch of others, and you do have many filters, and in each filter there are many other more. As you can see, there are many other modes, 12 modes in a single filter. So let me show you some more. So if I go to tune image, I can just increase the brightness. I can scroll up down to choose the brightness. I can increase the brightness by sliding from left to the right, and from right to left to decrease the brightness. Or I can increase the saturation. As you can see, a very interesting photo editor. As you can see, can make your photos look very good. So just click the tick mark on the bottom and the effects will be saved. So and very interesting function that I like about this app is this selective function that it gives you. If I select any area, let's select this area, you can reduce or increase the effective portion that is going to affect. So if I select this portion and I select the brightness, and if I increase the brightness, you should see the increase in brightness. As I have applied a filter, so you cannot see the difference, but it does make a difference, and you can just save it from the bottom right corner by clicking that right arrow, or just cancel it by clicking that X. And once you have figured out what kind of filters you want to apply and what kind of effects you want to have, then you can just click on save to save your picture. So go ahead and try it out. You can scan the QR code to your right and just download it. So next up we have, guys, is called Movogenie. Now Movogenie is a Play Store alternative, but it's more than a Play Store alternative, as Play Store mostly gives you apps, games, books, and not music, I guess. So as you can see, this is the home page that opens up when you open the app. You have cool lock screen. I mean, different apps and games are categorized in different categories. As you can see, most anticipated games of 2016 and well picked apps. If you go up there, you can see it have bunch of movies like as you can see, X-Men, Sherlock Holmes, and if you can scroll, you can scroll the screen that is just up of the search button, and you will see different kind of apps and games. Right below the search bar, you can see different kinds of uh, small sections of apps, games, music, pictures, videos, ebook, and Genie. If I go to apps, as you can see, it loads up all the featured apps. You can go to categories, you can go to collection, as we know in the Play Store we do. So if I go right there in the games, it loads up the featured games. You can same here, you can do go to categories, or you can go to the collection, and it does also have music. You can go to music. You can see there are a bunch of music, and I guess they upload very good kind of music. I mean, their taste is very good. As you can see, it has different types of, if you go to Discover section, you can have different kinds of albums that they categorize, like the best of MTV EMA. So, and there are Mobujini new, that the new songs that are released, they are featured right here. And if you go to right the collection, there are much more albums available here. You can search the top apps, or you can search through the artists. And it does also have a video functionality that allows you to download video. And if you just if you go to the left side of this, you can go to YouTube, and it loads up YouTube. As you can see, if I click on any of these videos, I can just download it. It will ask me the quality, and I can just download it. So as you can see, I can select the quality and just download it up. So a very good app to try. So go ahead and try this app. Scan the QR code to your right, and let's move on to the next app. So next app we have is called Feedly. Now Feedly is a news reading app, but it has a very clean and updated UI. As you can see, I have selected bunch of different techie websites. As you can see, science and technology. If I go to the left section, I can just scroll through my selected pages that I want to read. You can see Engadgets, Android Authority, and Police. They have different, and there are 499 articles that I haven't read yet, so I can just go on to them and just read it up all the articles. As you can see, it has a similar UI to Flipboard, I guess, and you can just click on any of these and just read it up. So a cool application to keep track of all the techy things going on, and you can just search up any page or music. As you can see, it also have other genres like marketing, design, beauty, business. You can select any of these, and you will have different bunch of options to read and choose page that you want to read articles from. So very cool application to keep track of what is going on in the world. So check it out. So the last app we have is called Backdrop. Now Backdrop is an application where you can explore and download a bunch of different wallpapers, but they have a unique designs and different kinds of wallpaper. As you can see, they have a very beautiful kinds of wallpaper. You can just click on set or save, and as you can see, it has a very clean and attracting UI with a blue color. And as you can see, you can scroll down and you can go to next wallpapers, and according to me, they are very good wallpapers, guys. You have to check them out. You can just save them, and by the way, you have to unlock the pro version to save the wallpapers, but you can set them in free section also. So let's go back, and as you can see, a bunch of different wallpapers categorized. So if I go to the left of this explore section, there is categories or collections, and you can see there are different kinds of album or collection of uh, wallpaper. As you can see, this is Be Together, or it's more like Android, and they have Android wallpapers in it. Very clean and crisp wallpapers they have. So go ahead and check them out, guys. Scan the QR code to your right. And this is Sachin, and these were our top 5 apps